In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts from your iCloud backup. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to understand that once you delete contacts from iCloud, they will be removed from all devices linked to the same Apple ID. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, grab your device and head over to the Settings app. It's the one that looks like a gear icon. Once you're in Settings, you're going to want to find and tap on your Apple ID right up at the top where you see your name displayed. This will take you to a new menu that's all about your Apple ID account. From there, tap on iCloud. This is where you manage everything that's stored in iCloud, so you'll want to take a moment to get familiar with the options here. Now that you're in the iCloud settings, look for the section labeled Contacts. It's usually accompanied by a toggle switch. You'll want to toggle contacts off. By doing this, you're essentially telling your device that you no longer want to keep these contacts in sync with iCloud. When you toggle contacts off, you'll be prompted with a message asking if you'd like to delete the contacts from your iPhone. You'll want to choose Delete from my iPhone. It's important to note that this step only removes the contacts from iCloud. Your contacts will still remain on any device not linked to your Apple ID. Make sure to double check that this is what you intend to do before proceeding, as it might impact how you manage your contacts across your Apple devices. If your goal is not just to clear all iCloud contacts but to remove specific ones, you'll need to take a slightly different approach. Head over to the Contacts app on your device. This app is your main hub for managing individual contact details. Once in Contacts, scroll through your list to find and select the specific contact you wish to delete. After selecting the contact, tap on the Edit button located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the contact details for editing. With the contact details open, scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled Delete Contact. Go ahead and tap that and then confirm your choice when prompted. This action will remove the specified contact from your device. If you have contacts backed up elsewhere or stored in other accounts, consider cross-referencing to avoid accidental deletion of important information. And there you have it, your guide to deleting contacts from iCloud backup. Whether you're cleaning up your entire list or just targeting individual entries, these steps should help you manage your contact list with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and solutions.